Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the screen and choosing the right widget. Long press an empty area of your home screen and open the widget picker. This immediately shows available sizes. Pick a widget that fits your goal, then drag it to an open spot. Once placed, tap any setup prompts. Many widgets need permissions like location or calendar access. Do this now so the widget can fetch live data. By granting permissions, you enable real-time updates and smoother interactions. Once the widget is on screen, customize it to serve you best. Tap the widget or the gear icon to open configuration options. Here you choose sources, accounts, and refresh intervals so the widget stays current without draining battery. Resize it by long pressing and dragging handles to change columns or rows. This affects how much content shows. Make sure to set themes and shortcuts so the widget matches your workflow. After adjusting, test interactions to confirm buttons and taps work as expected. To finish, apply advanced tweaks and verify reliability. If you need unique layouts or tighter refresh control, install a reputable third-party widget app and configure its settings. This lets you do things stock widgets can't. If content stops loading, clear the widget app cache, remove and re-add the widget, then reboot if necessary. Also check battery optimization and background data permissions so Android doesn't suspend updates. If issues persist, the app's permissions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.